Hello everyone, welcome to the story of tea part 2. In this video we are going to learn about the history of tea. In the last video we have learnt about three main tea growing regions in India. The first one is, as you can see in the picture, is Nilgiris in South India. The second one is Darjeeling in northeastern India, and the last one, which is the most famous region in India, is Assam, which is in far northeast India. How and when did people first begin to drink tea? An amusing story has come down to us from Chinese legends. It is said that Emperor Shennong, the father of Chinese agriculture and medicine, was on his travels when a servant was boiling some water for the emperor to drink. Just then, a few leaves from nearby tree blew into the boiling water. The water changed color, and the emperor was amazed by the rich flavor and refreshing quality of the resulting infusion. Excited by the unknown plant and its amazing flavor, he carried out further investigations and discovered that tea had many healing and restorative properties and could also be used as an antidote. Another legend tells us that it was a Buddhist monk named Bodhidharma who was the first to use tea as a drink. He was keen to find a herb or a medicinal plant which could help him stay awake and alert for long periods of time in prayers and meditation. It is said that Bodhidharma introduced tea among his disciples in China. It is also said that Japanese priests studying under Buddhist teachers in China carried tea seeds and leaves back home with them. Turkish traders also began to bargain for tea on the border of Mongolia. In fact, the story goes that the Chinese emperor Huizong was so taken up with tea that he set up a research into the best tea whisking methods and also hosted tea making and tea tasting tournaments in his court. So tea minded was he that he failed to notice that Mongolia had actually taken over his empire. You can see in this video, Mongolia and China, they are adjacent countries. Thus, the habit of drinking tea spread to Japan, Europe, and England, where it became a fashionable and popular drink among the people. In this video, we can see the high tea party in England. Here, people enjoy a lot of things along with tea, and it is a symbol of prestige. We can see the crockery and cutlery is so beautiful and expensive. How did tea first come to India? Historians think that tea had been known in India as a medicinal plant since ancient times, but tea was not drunk for pleasure until the British began to establish plantations in the 19th century. In the 1770s, the British East India Company made several unsuccessful attempts to grow tea in Bhutan and Assam. The botanist Robert Bruce in 1823 discovered tea plants growing wild in the upper Brahmaputra valley. In May 1838, the first Indian tea from Assam was sent to England for public sale, and since then India has gone on to become one of the leading producers of tea in the world. In this video, we can see the beautiful valley of Brahmaputra river in Assam. Tea lovers claim that there are many benefits of drinking tea, like tea reduces the risk of cancer, it controls blood pressure, and it also fights viruses that can cause us ill. And scientists have proved that tea contains antioxidants called flavonoids, which protects our body from the free radicals that can harm our body and our health. Tea has become so much popular drink in the world that Japan, China, Russia, and Korea have special tea ceremonies and traditions. In this video, we can see the tea drinking ceremony in Russia.
What can you do wrong in this? Only to let the
Most people in Japan belong to a tea club where they go every week to take part in the tea ceremony. Ordinary people also feel that tea ceremonies are spiritual occasions that are closely associated with their religion. Japanese people say that tea is a healthy, enjoyable, and stimulating drink full of good qualities. They even say that tea reduces loneliness and calms your heart. It is a comfort in everyday life for them. From these lines, we can understand how much Japanese people love tea and what they think of tea. In Russia, tea is made and served in samovars, a special Russian tea kettle made of metal. In this video, we can see how they prepare tea with help of samovars. That is a special kettle which is used to make tea. In Japan, tea is made using powdered green tea called matcha. The tea is mixed with boiled water using a bamboo whisk and served in small bowls. Whereas in Vietnam, special varieties of tea such as lotus tea and jasmine tea are famous. In India, a cup of tea is offered to any guest or visitor as a token of hospitality, even in the humblest of homes. Most Indians like their tea hot with a good deal of milk and sugar in it. Sometimes many spices like cardamom, cloves, mace, or lemongrass are added to the tea to add its taste and flavors. Tea is a must after a plate of spicy snacks, especially in the morning and evenings.